Hello everyone. If Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting again and again on your Windows 11 computer, I'll be telling you very simple steps, only two steps to fix this problem. Alright, so the very first step is here where you see the network icon, the Wi-Fi icon. You just need to click on that, which is there at the bottom right corner. I'll just click on that, and here you have this network icon and the arrow key. You just need to click here and then click on the exclamation mark, which will let you to go to properties of your Wi-Fi network, and it will open up the window like this. Now here select connect automatically when in range, and if it is selected public network, then select private network. Alright, also if there is a metered connection, turn it off if you want to, and then you just need to close this window. Alright, now here do a right click in the start icon and then click on run and type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. Now here you will have your Wi-Fi connection. I'll just click on that, do a right click, go to properties, and then we need to go to this configure tab, and here in configure tab, in this computer I don't have the power management because it's a virtual machine. However, in your case you will have a power management tab right here at the last. You just need to go to there, and there will be an option to uncheck it, allow network, allow computer to turn off in power, like that. So you just need to uncheck that and you just need to click on OK. Alright, so these are the two steps which you need to do, and one bonus tip which I'll give you that is also very effective. You just need to do the right click, go to run, and then type services.msc. Once you have typed it, click on OK. And here select any of the services and press W, and then look for Wi-Fi connection. So here we are looking for WLAN autoconfig. This is a Wi-Fi service, and you just need to do a double click. If the startup type is not automatic, select automatic, and if it is not started, click on start, then apply and OK. And you just have to restart the computer, and then you need to please let me know if this issue has been fixed or not. So if Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Windows 11, this is a tried and tested method. Please do let me know, and if it is fixed, please leave a comment because it really motivates me. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and please do not forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.